while I'm driving. I love it. Going uphill and going downhill. You see that? This is my seat that I'm not even sitting in. That's what's been dripping all down my neck. Oh, losing some adhesive. Isn't that great? All my coins wet. Seat's wet. His seat's wet. Just dripping. Back of my seat's wet. See where they tried to patch it up. My patch job just sucks a whole bunch of ass. Oh, look at that. Someone wrote there, water leaks inside of black circle. Black circle. It goes all the way up here. Oh, look, there's a moldy napkin that's saturated in water. Now, here's a map saturated in water. Oh, there's more water. Rust. This is what my steering wheel looks like when it's straight. It's great. We're at like 300-something thousand miles. You know, lights are beeping. And then that, and then there's no seat, but that's what we make a seat out of. And then like all that, you can see it's like water damaged. And then like all that. And then like there's a rubber band holding up the gun port. And then like there's that spider. But do you see this ginormous spider web? It's great. It's disgusting. And then we come on over all this trash. All this trash. Now look, I've got my little fan. I don't even know if that works. But let's take a gander at the window that has paper stuck in it. Let's just check out the door. Oh, there's our weather seal. Keeps all the rain out. And then you can see like how the door kind of isn't flush. You can see like it's not flush. So I don't know how that's ever gonna roll. We can be able to open that. There's more trash. There's my hazard, my fire extinguisher. That probably doesn't work. Yeah, because the tube is gone. Can't even extinguish a damn fire because the tube is gone. That's awesome. That's awesome. It's probably expired anyways. Oh, look at that. We have a first aid kit. I wonder if it's got anything in it. Oh, that's disgusting. That's awesome. I'm just gonna put that back down. That's gross. Yep, there's some more plastic back there. My seatbelt. That probably doesn't work either.